Hi, I'm Maxwell Ryan. Welcome to my new house. Come on in. Now we're in the living room. This is the center of the house. The sofa and the chairs are part of a collaboration I did with Interior Define. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fabrics, all mixed up on the sofa. It looks like a painting, but it's actually a photograph of my daughter. The old house had a brick fireplace, so to cut down the cost, we put the biggest fireplace unit we could find. So we settled on this idea of taking the Denison wood, slicing it into pieces and making a beautiful screen. So one thing you'll notice when you visit this house, it has wonderful flow. The doors, in the warm weather, open all the way up, and the Denison floors continue straight out in a deck-like fashion. So that's it. Thanks for coming, and I hope you enjoyed the tour.